Velos 341 Heavy taxi.
Velos 341 Heavy, runway 9er taxi via Sierra. Departure information, Sierra in current, Monza Tower 123.9.
Cap numbers and taxi via Sierra. Monitor car waiting 123.9 kilos at 341 Heavy.
Runway 9er cleared to land, traffic holding in position, heavy DC-10, caution wake turbulence, runway 9er arrival, wind shear alert, 15 knot gain, 3 mile final.
Zero Mexico 41.
Cielos 341 Heavy, runway 9er departure, wind shear alert, 15 knot loss, 1 mile departure, wind 1308. Turn right, heading 120, runway 9er, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 9, when you reach the Velos zone.